Basements are notorious for moisture problems. The dampness can seep through the walls and floors, creating a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Whether it's humidity, leaks, or even flooding, your basement floor takes a beating. Water can find its way into the tiniest cracks, causing significant damage over time. That's why choosing waterproof flooring is crucial. It acts as a barrier, preventing water from penetrating and causing damage. Waterproof flooring isn't just about spills and splashes. It's designed to withstand prolonged exposure to moisture, ensuring your basement remains dry and safe. It's about peace of mind. Knowing that your flooring can handle whatever comes its way allows you to use your basement without worry. It's about protecting your investment and creating a healthy living space. A dry basement means fewer health risks and a more comfortable environment for your family. Regular flooring can warp, buckle and grow mold in damp conditions. This not only looks unsightly but can also lead to structural issues. That spells disaster for your home's value and your family's health. Mold can cause respiratory problems and other health issues, making it essential to keep your basement dry. Remember, a dry basement starts from the ground up. Investing in waterproof flooring is a proactive step towards maintaining a healthy home. Choosing the right flooring is the first step towards a worry-free space. Consult with experts to find the best waterproof options that suit your needs and style. When it comes to waterproof basement flooring, 3 options stand out. Luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, which is affordable, stylish and surprisingly durable. Ceramic tile, a classic choice known for its water resistance and longevity. And porcelain tile, similar to ceramic but even more resistant to moisture absorption. Each option has its own pros and cons. In the following sections, we'll dive deeper into each one to help you make the best decision for your basement. LVP, or luxury vinyl plank, is a popular choice for basements, and for good reason. It's incredibly versatile, offering a wide range of styles and designs to suit any aesthetic. It can mimic the look of hardwood, stone or even tile without the hefty price tag associated with these materials. One of the standout features of LVP is that it is 100% waterproof, making it ideal for moisture-prone areas like basements, bathrooms and kitchens. Plus, it's comfortable underfoot, providing a bit of cushioning that makes it pleasant to walk on, and it can withstand heavy traffic, making it perfect for families with kids and pets. Installation is relatively easy, often featuring a click-and-lock system that allows for a straightforward do-it-yourself project. Just make sure to install it over a proper subfloor to ensure stability and longevity. One thing to keep in mind is that while LVP is durable, it can be susceptible to scratches and dents, especially in high-traffic areas. However, with proper care and maintenance, such as regular cleaning and using protective pads under furniture, it can last for many years, maintaining its beauty and functionality. So, if you're looking for an upscale look at a down-to-earth price, LVP might just be the perfect flooring solution for your home. Ceramic and porcelain tile are both excellent waterproof options for your basement. They offer a classic look that can complement any style. Tile is incredibly durable and easy to clean, making it perfect for high-traffic areas. It's also resistant to scratches, dents and stains. However, tile can be cold and hard underfoot. Consider using area rugs to add warmth and comfort. Installation can be more involved than LVP and may require professional help. But once installed, tile flooring can last a lifetime. Section 5. Waterproofing your basement floor. A step-by-step guide. Waterproofing your basement floor is crucial to prevent moisture damage and ensure the longevity of your flooring. Whether you are planning to install tiles, laminate, or any other type of flooring, following these steps will help you achieve a durable and moisture-resistant surface. No matter which flooring you choose, proper waterproofing is essential. Here's a simple guide. First, clean the floor. Start by removing all furniture and items from the basement. Sweep away any loose debris and dirt to create a clean working surface. Thoroughly clean the concrete subfloor, removing any debris or old flooring. Use a vacuum cleaner to ensure all dust and small particles are removed. Second, apply sealant. This step is vital to create a barrier against moisture. Apply a waterproof sealant to the entire floor, paying attention to cracks and gaps. Use a brush or roller to evenly spread the sealant, making sure to cover every inch of the surface. Allow the sealant to dry completely before proceeding to the next step. Third, install a vapor barrier. This layer is essential to prevent any residual moisture from seeping through the concrete and affecting your flooring. Lay down a vapor barrier underlayment to prevent moisture from seeping up through the concrete. Make sure the barrier is laid out smoothly without any wrinkles or folds. Finally, install the flooring. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing your chosen flooring. Each type of flooring may have specific requirements, so it's important to adhere to the guidelines provided to ensure a proper installation. Remember, proper preparation is key to a successful and long-lasting waterproof floor. Taking the time to thoroughly clean, seal and install a vapor barrier will pay off in the long run, providing you with a basement floor that is both functional and resilient. Section 6. Flooding frustration, what not to install in your basement. While we've covered the best options, it's equally important to know what to avoid. Hardwood. Despite its beauty, hardwood warps and buckles when exposed to moisture. Carpet. Carpet harbours moisture, leading to mould and mildew growth. It can also be difficult to dry out completely after a flood. Even with a waterproof barrier, these materials are best suited for above-ground levels. Section 7. SOS. Dealing with the flooded basement and your LVP. Even the best laid plans can go awry. If your basement does flood, here's what to do with your LVP. First, remove any standing water. Extract any standing water as quickly as possible. Second, pull up the flooring. Carefully remove the affected LVP planks. Third, dry everything thoroughly. Allow the subfloor and planks to dry completely before reinstalling. With prompt action, you may be able to salvage your LVP flooring and prevent further damage. Section 8. Final thoughts. Making the right choice for your basement oasis. Choosing the right waterproof flooring is an investment in your home and your peace of mind. LVP, ceramic tile and porcelain tile offer durability, style and, most importantly, complete water resistance. Remember to properly waterproof your basement floor before installation, and remember, some materials like hardwood and carpet are best avoided in basements altogether. By following these tips, you can create a beautiful, functional and worry-free basement space you'll enjoy for years to come.